Sylvester, hello. Can you see yourself? I want you to be able to see yourself because one of my students made a picture of you and it looks like this. Now I'm going to show him. Do you like it? What do you think? Sylvester, what do you think? Is it you? Ooh, you want to eat it? Ooh, that means he really likes it. Thanks, Sylvester. One of my students made a picture of you. It looks like this. What do you think? What do you think? Do you like it? Does it look like you? Oh, you want to eat it too? Yes, that means he likes it. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Oh,